Hello friends, this is Manoj Kapoor, founder and CEO of Siliceous Technologies. I welcome you to a world of possibilities. जी हाँ, अब सब संभव है. Sambhav is a very smart device. It's a gadget that can turn any electrical switch on or off from the convenience of your mobile phone. Doesn't that sound smart? Yes, that's the smart gadget we're talking about here. It looks something like this. This unit, as you can see here, is the basic Sambhav unit. You can see there are three LED lights here. The red light is the power light. The blinking light is the network light. You can see an antenna here, and you can also see the SIM slot which holds the SIM card. Therefore, Sambhav has a SIM slot where you can put in the SIM card, and that number becomes the number for Sambhav. Now Sambhav is connected with an LNT DOL starter or direct online starter. Now this is a starter which is required to switch on or switch off any heavy electrical goods like motors, pumps. You can switch on and switch off from this DOL starter. And this DOL starter is now connected with this bulb. So as a whole, if Sambhav can switch on this starter and this starter can switch on this bulb, it means that our system works and we can switch on or switch off any heavy electrical goods. As you can see, we are registering admin 2 here. We have given a 4-digit password and the mobile number of the person who's going to be the admin 2. We are sending this message to Sambhav now. So the message has been sent and we are awaiting a confirmation. So this goes to the Sambhav unit, registers the number and sends you a confirmation. There it is. It says welcome to Siliceous Technologies, ab sab Sambhav hai, and the mobile number has been registered successfully as admin 2. Now we are just going to dial this number and see what happens to the unit. I'm putting the speaker on and let's see. That's the first ring. There goes the second ring, and that's the third one. And up goes the weasel. I have already received an SMS here stating that the system is on. Now let's see what happens if I call it again. I've just called it again and I've put on the speaker. That's the first ring. That's the second ring. And it's gone. So with missed calls, I can switch it on and I can switch it off. Now, let me show you a very interesting thing in this product. I've already received an SMS stating that the system is off. Now the interesting thing that I was talking about is the water sensor. Now it comes with a water sensor. I'll get you a glass of water and I will show you how it works. Now this is a glass of water and I put it here and I bring these two wires, which are the sensors, and I place it right outside it. Not now, I'm not putting it inside the glass now. And I'm dialing again. I'm calling Sambhav. As you can hear that it's ringing and it has switched on, as you can see. And if you keep your focus here, I will receive a SMS that system is on. Now there are times when maybe there is no water in your base tank, and if you run the pump and if the pump cannot pull the water, the pump is going to get damaged. but there are water sensors in this. As you can see, I've kept the water jug here, but I haven't placed the sensors inside the water. The sensors are lying outside. So let's see how this thing reacts. This unit has turned off, and after it has turned off, it is going to send me a message stating the reason why it has been turned off. Let's wait for the SMS, and here is the SMS. It says that the pump was running dry. To prevent pump from damage, the pump has been turned off. This has happened because these two wires are not in water. Now let's see what happens if we call this system again. I'm calling again. System is on, and I have placed the water sensors inside the water. I have received a message stating that the system is on. As you can see, the system is on, and I've also placed the two ends in the water. Now the system is receiving the water on its sensors. Therefore, this system will not turn off anymore. Till we demonstrate that, let us see what else we can do. There is a command called list. List. If we send the list command, it will show me how many people are registered as admin and how many people are registered as users. And only people who are registered on the device can operate this. Anybody calling this number, their calls will be rejected. As you can see, 1, 2 and number 4 are all registered with 3 different numbers. Rest other numbers are unregistered. All the 12 numbers are unregistered. So only people who are registered can operate this device. So it is secured 100%. You can also do a status. A status command will inform you whether your pump is on or off, and if it is on, for how long is it on. So we have already sent the status command and we have received the SMS. It says system is on for so many hours and 2 minutes. So it is already more than 1 minute. Earlier it stopped at 1 minute because there was no water. Now it is on for 2 minutes and it's still on because they can sense the water. Now if you can see, if I just take this out of water, what will happen? It switches off. That means it is not just there for 1 minute, it can last for a longer period, and if water is not available any moment, it turns it off. The best part about this device is that the moment power resumes after a failure or a load shedding, it will send you an SMS stating that the power is on. You can switch on by missed calls, so therefore there is no running cost. Only cost that you have to pay is for a SIM card. You can have a postpaid plan to it for unlimited SMSs, which you can put it in here. If the tank is full, it will switch off your pump and send you an SMS stating that the tank is full. only people who are registered, which is almost 12 people who can register on this, can use this product. People from outside, even if they know the number and they dial this number, nothing will happen. This comes with a unique anti-theft program. In case somebody steals your device, and if he places his own SIM card inside it, you will instantly get a message that the SIM card has been changed, and you can lock the device by sending an SMS. And in case of locking the device, anybody who is dialing onto this number, that number will be forwarded to you. So you can easily track the person who has stolen your device. As you can see, this is the casing of Sambhav. This is a very strong box which is heat resistant, water resistant and static electricity resistant. As you can see inside this, there is a very special O-ring given here which is made out of silicon. Silicon is light, durable, and it doesn't allow the water to seep in. That means you can place Sambhav outside in the heat and in the sun, and the product is going to operate perfectly. There will be no problem. To sum it all, this device saves you time, it gives you freedom, it gives you control, it saves traveling costs. Therefore, it's a win-win for everybody and anybody who uses it. Sambhav is possible. Ji haan, ab sab sambhav. Thank you.